Hi, Hadi. Today we're doing a mountain sky. You can see here, and you can see lots of landscape drawings here. Now on the top, we're just putting the colors. Okay, just making the yeah top part, looking at skyline, so I can see. Okay. Now we're putting some trees on the sky. You can see the details here. Okay, just using another pencil. This brush is going to make it more interesting. Okay. Putting few trees here. Putting few trees here. Okay, so the skyline you can see with the lots of mountain trees here. So that's the beauty of this drawing, that the variations of the the green color is making it lively again. There's some borders you can see with the trees. So the tree lines are showing the green color you can see here. All right, also you can see some greeneries to the vast fields. Because of the variations of the green color. Usually, these types of landscape drawings is just coming from the imaginations, and you just go on painting and the drawing looks good. Okay, maybe for the reflections the drawing cannot be seen, but here you can see the total combinations. All right, let's move the camera and see the drawing. All right, so this is the drawing. You can see the fields and the trees and the jungle. This is a good drawing. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on top. Thank you so much. Have a good day.